Hello, my name's Maria Schmitz, and the topic today is audience expectations in Jamaica, Germany, and the USA. You've heard the name Lewis before in connection with What is a CBH and The Mexican Fisherman. To recap, what a multi active personality looks like: this person is talkative and does several things at once. They display unlimited body language. They only plan grand outlines. They're emotional and display feelings. Feelings come before facts. They'll confront you emotionally, have good excuses. They often interrupt. They're people oriented and truth is flexible. They can be impatient. Lewis continues, they seek out key persons and mix the social and the professional. So on the Lewis Triangle, Jamaicans are at the very top with the Hispanics, although we don't see them there, that's where they would be. A multi-active audience like this, therefore, expects warmth and humor, as well as the possibility to interact. Content supersedes everything else. Length is okay. The presenter must have the gift of the gab and must be animated. Background music helps. A laid back style is okay, but arguments must be authentic and convincing. Scenarios must be feasible, and they seek after long term and tangible results. An interculturally competent Swede was once asked how he would approach a Japanese American audience. His answer was he would apologize for not starting with a joke. So, why was this the better thing to do? Well, first of all, jokes are not universal, so the Japanese might not have understood the joke. So, what do we learn from this? Yes, the Japanese start with an apology, while the Americans start with a joke. So, American audiences like a humorous opening with maintained joking, generosity, modernity, gimmicks, slogans, catchphrases, hard sell, speed, and USA is best. For German audiences, the solidity of the company and the product count as much as the technical information. Context is important, of course. The beginning, there must be a beginning, middle, and ending. Lots of print, so make sure to bring your handouts. Few or no jokes. Soft sell, good price, quality, and delivery date.